Hello and welcome back. Today in this session we are going to discuss how to install or integrate our digital sign certificate. For the signing of digital signing or e-signing, we have to just browse the e-file option over there, and after clicking on the file option, there are the sign option which will be displayed. Over there we have to select DSC registration or e-sign registration. We have already discussed the topic about how to register the e-sign in our e-office application. Now in this session we are going to discuss how to register our DSC registration. In respect of the registration of the DSC, we have to download the software of digital signer service from the URL eoffice.gov.in over there. Once we hit the enter over there, the download option will be visible in this website. We have to click on the digital sign service. Over there we have to click, and there are the two signer service will be available on this website. This option 4.1.7, which is compatible to the older version of eOffice, that means the 6 and lower version, and for the e-file version of the 7 and above version we have to download the 7.0.1 option as compatible to our operating system. If we are using the Windows 10 or Windows 11, we have to download the option of 64-bit. Just click on the download option. The signer service will be started downloading. After that, the downloading, I already downloaded it in the order to save the time. Just click on the download option over there and click on our download history over there. You can see the digital signer service will be downloaded. Just click on this option and just double click on the digital signer service for 7.1.0.1 into 64-bit. Just double click on the installer. The installation wizard will be populated in our screen. We have to just simply click the next option. After that I have to just click the license agreement, click on the next button. The downloading installation will be started. There is that folder which we are going to create in respect of this service. Program file, this is another service. Click on the next button. You install the SSL certificate? Yes, it's mandatory, otherwise we have to import the SSL certificate separately. So rather than to avoid the consequences, we have to just click on the SSL certificate. To that, click on the next button. The installation will start. As the installation is going on, a populated window will background window will be populated. Click on the signer service. Just click on the close button and finish. Once the DSC signer service will be downloaded and installed, it will be scanned by our antivirus. Just click and apply action. The service will be installed. In respect of the service, a populated window will be appear just by the confirmation. That means will display the signer service will be configured on the 55103 port. If I click on the hide service, it will be get minimized. If I click on the stop service, it will be stopped and disappeared from our menu bar. So let it be as it is. The signer service will be installed. After that, we have to check the port availability. Port availability, we have just click on the manual button. Over there we have to just copy this command, and by copying this command we have to run this command in our browser. This one is the one-time activity. The respective command will be executed in our all the browser on which we are going to log in our eOffice account. Just click on the Mozilla and Microsoft Edge Over there just simply click on the paste button. After hit the enter button, a success message will be appeared. That means this DSC service is currently running in our operating system. Okay, it's good to go. Now signer service will be installed, port availability will be success. So that the third one step which is still pending, that means the DSC driver. We need to install the DSC driver. By installing the DSC driver, just minimize this option and go to this PC. This one is the DSC, this one is the Hyper PKI digital signer service. Just double click on this option and install this respective driver of our digital signer. Private, keep it private. It will also installed. After completion of all the three steps, we just need to check either the DSC is working or not. In respect to the DSC is working or not, we have just click log in our eOffice account. I already logged in my eOffice account. Just go to the eOffice and click on the e-file management system, and after that there is a DSC registration option will be visible under the signing option. Just click on the DSC registration option. Over there a populate window will click on the register DSC. Over there the DSC certificate will be visible just by click on the radio button and click on the register button. This will install or integrate our digital signer service with our eOffice account. Please make sure that the DSC certificate name and the eOffice name of the user should be same. If the eOffice have the different name and DSC certificate have the different name, it will not work. So it's necessary in order to sign the file in our eOffice rather than using a digital signature or using the Aadhaar based, that means e-sign. In both cases we have to keep in our mind that the user name or the certificate name should be match. This is the complete process how to install the DSC. There are only 3 steps which we have to perform in order to complete the DSC. Let me make a short note on how to make DSC registration. This one is first one is the install the DIGI digital signer service from eoffice.gov.in. After that, listen the port 55103 by the following command. This one. After that, install the DSC driver. This one is the complete process how we can install integrate the certificate in our eOffice account. For using e-sign, we didn't require any software. E-sign facility will use the IDE integrated development environment. That means there is no need to install any kind of third-party software. It will have built-in functionality in subject to undersign our noting in e-file. Okay, this one is the complete process how to sign, how to register signing in our eOffice account. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and never forget to like. Another one session we are going to discuss what are the issues in our DSC signer service or in our eSign services. We will make a separate video on the troubleshooting of DSC or eSign facility. If we will append this troubleshooting in this video, it will get very long, so just wait for another session. And the troubleshooting part, we will discuss how to troubleshoot or what kind of common issues which we encountered while working on the e-file. This one is the complete process. Okay, thanks for watching.